Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Lindy Sherries, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to install Altcointrader. This is a crypto exchange that you can buy crypto as little as 100 Rand. So when you go to your app store, you see that you just type Altcointrader and then you install, and then it will open, and then after it opens it will show this page, but then you haven't registered. You still need to register so that you can buy. So when you go at the top, you would see that there are those lines. Those are the lines that you would click in order to register. So there's more you can do here. You can buy crypto, you can withdraw, you can sell crypto. So let's just start with registration. You click those things at the top, and then after you click register. So when you click register, it will bring a form. And if you already registered, you can just log in. So you complete this form, you enter all the details that you need to complete, and then after it will take you inside the account. And then once you are inside the account, you need to secure your account. And then to secure your account, we do two-factor authentication. And please note that this is not compulsory. If you do not want to do this part, you can skip this part, but I do mine because I want to get OTP every time someone transact or if I transact. So this is another way to protect yourself. So it will show you this. There's a secret key that you need to copy. So you copy that, and then you go to your Google Authenticator. I do have a video showing you how to install it, and then you click it, and then there's an add sign at the bottom. You enter it to add Altcointrader, and then after it will give you this. You just type Altcointrader and enter the key at the bottom, and then click add. So what does that mean? It means every time you log into your Altcointrader, you do need to go to your Google Authenticator to get the key. So can you see now it's added? So this is the key that we will get, like the OTP that we will need to enter. So you cannot copy it, just memorize the number, and then you go back to login. So when you log in, it will ask you. So let me show you how to deposit. So you basically click that ZA, and then it will open the bottom one. You click it, and then when you click it, it will show you the banking details that you can use to deposit money into your account. So please note the reference must be yours. Don't copy this one, otherwise the money will come to my Altcointrader. So you will get your own reference. That's the reference you will use when you deposit into your Altcointrader. So you can deposit as little as 100 Rand. So that's what I like, because Binance doesn't allow you. So say now you want to log in again, you logged out, so you just click login, and then it will ask you for your OTP from your Google Authenticator, and then you will go to your Google Authenticator. You must wait for this thing to turn blue. If it's red, it's still generating. So you copy these numbers, you go and enter those numbers, and then after it will allow you to go into your account. So just remember that with depositing, you do need to use your own reference that you will be given. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification. Thank you for your support.